sa ni sa ni sa ga re ga re sa ni sa ni sa ni sa ma ga ma ga re ma ni ma pa ga ga ma re ni sa sa ga ga re.
Shankar, Sridhar, and all the family members of the Shankar Mahadevan Academy. It feels great to be here at this second Sangam. Somehow I couldn't be here last year, but I'm really glad that I made it this time. This academy was inaugurated sometime in February 2011. And in March 2011, when I was traveling to Calcutta, I had a chance to sit next to Shankar while we were flying from Bombay to Calcutta. And we got talking. And then Shankar told me about the academy that they had just inaugurated. And he said, well, his dream was, to get people from all over the world involved, but he would be delighted to have corporates also becoming part of this academy. And so I threw him an invitation and said, let's start. And let's make L&T the first corporate to become a member of the Shankar Mahadevan Academy. Now there's one thing about L&T. If you want to be an L&Tite, and Shankar will bear witness to this, you have to be a good singer. Because whenever we meet, we have a lot of stress as part of our life, as we work. But whenever we meet, we let go by singing. And so all our gatherings are full of a lot of song and laughter. And so when I mooted this idea to the management and to our people, they were all delighted. And so when we inaugurated the academy at L&T, we had some of our directors attending. And one or two of them even came and performed on the stage with Shankar. They were so delighted with the whole experience. And ever since 2011, participation has been growing. And to top it all, we've started the Voice of L&T. And I think the Voice of L&T has been a big hit. The first person to win the Voice of L&T got an opportunity to record a song with Shankar, and that song, which you heard on the screen, also went up for the Oscars. What do they call it? The Honesty Oscars. And we were placed second in that competition. So that was a huge achievement. Of course, it has continued. But besides just the Voice of L&T and our students learning from the academy directly, what we also do is we have sessions where people get an opportunity to chill out. And so Padma and Dinesh and Sridhar come and then they conduct a full-day session, which we call Swaras, where they learn to sing, they learn to dance, and they learn to really chill out and enjoy themselves. And these sessions have been going on for 3 years now, and they are growing from strength to strength. So we're really happy about that. One thing that has always impressed us is the fact that, two geniuses got together. Shankar, a genius at music, and Sridhar, the genius of IT. Because believe me, when we looked at the whole, the technological structure of the academy, the way everything was set up, the Om book and all the courses, and the way people, are able to learn music, the apps that, you get an opportunity to download, and to ensure that the quality of your class keeps on improving, I think that has all made this academy such a great success. The fact that Sridhar is so passionate about it, and he has a very strong IT background, is what has helped to drive this academy to where it is. So L&T is extremely fortunate to have got this opportunity to collaborate with Shankar and with Sridhar. I remember Shankar telling me, "Sir, I was an engineer, or I am an engineer." And I said, "Really? I can't believe it," the first time we met. But then I realized as we kept interacting that he really knows a lot. He has a lot of technical skills, because of which I think that sharpens his musical ability as well, because of the mathematical kind of background that he has. So thank you very much to both of you. To Padma. Padma has been a great support. And Dinesh, because they make it happen, and our people keep enjoying every time. And hopefully we will be having the third Voice of L&T on the 31st of October this year. So thanks very much.
Thank you, sir. We request Shankarji to give a memento from our end to Mr. Lobo. Ladies and gentlemen, keep the claps on.
Sa